Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel, and in this video I will be discussing about the smart lock feature for the Amazfit Gtr 2e. So the smart lock is a very important and special feature with which you can unlock your device if you are wearing the watch or your watch is nearby, and you don't need to put the pin or unlock it with a fingerprint. It will be automatically unlocked whenever you will be wearing the watch or the watch you have configured the smart lock with. So this will work with any of the watches, not only with the Amazfit Gtr 2e but any Amazfit watch, even with the Amazfit GTS 2 mini. And the best part is it can also work with any of the Bluetooth devices like the Bluetooth earphones. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, this smart lock feature will make your phone unlock without even giving the pin or password in your phone whenever the trusted device or the device you have configured is nearby. So this can be really useful when you are wearing a watch or listening to music. You don't need to give the pattern or pin to unlock your device. It can automatically unlock the device by a swipe. On the other hand, if you are not wearing the watch, or you have put this watch in anywhere else, or the watch is not nearby, then you will not be able to unlock the device. So let's see how to configure this smart lock, and we will just check it with the Amazfit Gtr 2e, and also will check whether it is working with the Bluetooth TWS earphones which I have with me. So first of all, to configure this, obviously you need to go to the settings of this phone, and in the settings you will get the option of security and lock screen. In here you will get the option of smart lock. So this is an inbuilt feature for any Android device, and in the security you will get this option. Once you go into the smart lock, you will see there will be three options: on body detection, trusted devices, and trusted places. So you can configure these two also. I will talk about the trusted devices. So here you need to click the trusted device and add a device in the list. So to add a device, you have to click on there and make sure you have enabled the Bluetooth also. So the Bluetooth of the phone needs to be enabled in order to use this feature. Once you enable the Bluetooth, it will show you the list of devices which you have connected previously with your phone. So here I will select the Amazfit Gtr 2e, and once you click on the add option, it will add the Amazfit Gtr 2e in the trusted device list. And it is so simple. Next time whenever you will be nearby to the watch, don't need to give pin or password, you just need to swipe up, it will unlock the device. So this is a really simple thing to get the most out of the security feature in your phone. And if you are just switching off the Bluetooth, and if the phone is not connected with the watch or your watch is not nearby, then again it will not unlock the device. You have to give the pin or password or pattern or the fingerprint reader you need to use to unlock the device. So definitely a useful feature to have, and this will work with any device. And we will also check whether it is working with the Bluetooth TWS earphones, because in the trusted device list these earphones were also showing in there. So let's first connect these earphones with the phone and check whether it is working or not. So here you can see I have connected my Skull Candy Dime earphones with this phone, and now we will check whether this smart lock is working or not with this device also. And also we will check whether we can configure multiple devices at the same time. So if I have configured my Amazfit Gtr 2e and the TWS earphones, even if one of them are nearby, whether the phone is getting unlocked or not. So let's configure the smart unlock with the earphones first. So let's again go to the security feature, and here we will get the option of smart lock. Here in the trusted device list, let's add the trusted device, which is the Dime earphones. So here is the Dime Black. So I have just added it in the trusted device list, like previously I have added the Amazfit Gtr 2e, and here both of the devices are there in the trusted device list. So first of all, to check whether it is working with the TWS earphones, I will remove this device. So I have removed and only have put the dime earphones in the trusted device list. So let's check whether this is unlocking the device or not. So yes, it is working. I don't need to put the pin or password. It is unlocking the device in an instant because the earphones are nearby. So this is a really good important feature. If you have any of the Bluetooth device, you can use this feature. Even it works with Bluetooth speaker or earphones or any Bluetooth devices. So let's disable the Bluetooth, and now let's see whether it is working or not. No, it is not unlocking the device, so it is really working. Lastly, we will check whether we are able to unlock the device if we add both the TWS earphones and the smartwatch at the same time. So let's switch on the Bluetooth again. So I have switched on the Bluetooth again and added Amazfit Gtr 2E and the Dime Black at the same time. Now let's check whether it is working if any one of the device is nearby. So to check that, I will just put these earphones in the case so that it gets disconnected from the phone. So I have put the earphones in the case, and now you can see in my device list it is only showing Amazfit Gtr 2E connected. That means it will work when any of the device is connected. So let's check whether it is working when only one device is connected. So yes, it is unlocking the device without any issues. So on the other hand, if you are only connected with the TWS earphones, it will also unlock the device. So any of the device in the trusted device list, if connected with your phone, it will unlock the device without any issues. The only thing is the Bluetooth needs to be turned on and the device needs to be connected with your phone. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you this smart lock feature in the devices, which can help you to unlock the device when your Bluetooth device will be nearby. So if you are wearing the watch, it can also help you to unlock the device quickly and easily. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.